scream Pinoy and proud. You know, the biggest, grandest celebration of June 12th that I've ever been a part of.
I'm so excited to count this down. How many more seconds do we have?
Now, it's also great, Carla, that we're able to do this and still give away so much to all of our friends here. Like we said, as we have 30 seconds left, we gave away the limited edition buckets, the Viber stickers pack. They're all for free. You guys can download that already. 20 seconds, sabay-sabay tayo magbibila. Sabay-sabay tayo magbibila. Ready na ba kayo? Alright, we'll bring the countdown down. 6, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Happy Independence Day sa lahat po ng kasama natin dito ngayon. Happy Independence Day sa lahat ng ating